Hello, everyone, and welcome to the webinar. And thanks for joining us. And I want to thank for Intel to host this webinar. And I'm Owen Wei, the App e-commerce manager. I'm together with Daniela Clary.
Hi, hello everybody. I'm Daniele Clary, Senior Engineering Manager at AAEON.
Yeah, thank you. So this webinar, we're gonna talk about how App AI ecosystem could help you to accelerate your AI project. I want to first mention is that App's mission is to bridge the gap from idea to success. And some of people may heard about App, some may not. So I want to give a brief introduction for App. App, the full name is App Bridge the Gap, and it's founded by AAEON Technology Europe since 2015. So it's our 10 years birthday this year. So AAEON is our mother company, and AAEON is the leading manufacturer and the designer for AI and IoT edge solution. App is based in Europe, but we still have like App Shop as a portal to engage with the global customers. So as I mentioned, App is an industrial developer portal to engage with the global maker, engineer, companies, developers. How we do it? App built a community with over 7,000 developers, and then there we let the developer could help each other. Also, we have our specific FAE, the dedicated one, to help you also for the problem or question that you may face during the development. Also, we have Upshop to engage with you. Upshop is a kind of a different and special shop that we keep stock, and we want to have a quick development cycle for you. So that once you place order, if it's in stock, we ship in 7 days globally. And now we have 18K shoppers totally on Upshop. We have engaged with over 1,200 companies, and like I mentioned, Upshop is delivering globally, so to 57 countries, and the whole app we delivers to 183 countries. And also in Upshop, we want to give you like a friendly and smooth shopping experience. We have a multi-language for over 13 languages on Shop. Last one, but not least one, I want to mention here is like for the development kits. App have been doing like helping developer company to build their project. So starting from like a robotic and the vision, we have sell like a total 3,000 dev kits. From now on, later we will talk the new dev kits we have, which is the AI dev kit. I keep mentioning App is helping to bridge the gap from idea to success. So for maker who want to build AI or who want to do the POC, they get the stuff from Upshop. We ship in 7 days, and then they leverage the wiki for open source documentation, all the stuff, all the help from us. Then they build up the POC, and if it treat to like a mass production, App provides support, no matter it's from us, like a customization in hardware or software or BIOS, or leverage our eco partner expertise to help all our customers to scaling up their idea from idea to mass production in industry application or in embedded usage. So we are like a pioneer industrial computing. So like I mentioned, the business model, we have Upshop and we have wiki community to help our developers. Also, we provide like a rich full range of hardware design from different form factor with a different feature to help you for different project needs. The most important is that we partnership with Intel to provide always the latest technology based on Intel platform, and together with our AI ecosystem partner to build a AI solution based on Intel technology. So now we move into the core. We're gonna say today AI. So AI market trend is like you see from like the left side the graph. 2024 it was 638 billion, and it's projected to be 3.68 trillion in 2034. So it's a big growth like with a compound annual growth rate at around 19%. AI, everyone is talking about AI. Everyone is want to jump into AI area. But before you jump in, you must ask you like a few questions at the initial point to ensure like your starting point is the good foundation. So which platform should I use? Which AI module should I add? What camera should I integrate? The software I should use, and also layer, could I find a solution from the market that help me to solve the issue? So that's why we are here, and we want to mention about our new stuff. So up AI strategies like we know it must be difficult and lots of hassles when you want to develop your AI project or develop your own project. So we want to provide a smooth journey to ensure like everyone has what they need and provide essential support for their development. First, we start from like uh, we provide a kit with a pre-installed hardware and software, and we integrate, validate to ensure everything work together with the essential software stack to ensure everything is smooth and you don't need to spend so much time to just at the first step. Okay, I find what I need, but I need to spend so much time to ensure this is good, that is good. So we want to eliminate this. So we have a pre-integrated hardware and the software for your usage, and move to like a rapid prototyping. When you do the development and you think of, oh, I may need to connect to different peripheral, or I may need a Wi-Fi, LTE, etc. We also have a validated peripheral and also the rich for GPIO for you to do so. Then once you finish, like, okay, I want to deploy my AI model to the hardware. How should I do? In the second step, we have like a software stack together with a partner network optics, which will be mentioned by Daniel later for more details, and it could help you to deploy the model easily and quickly to the device. Then scale. We want to ensure every customer, they don't like, okay, I start POC with a certain hardware, then when I want to move to mass production, oh sorry, you need to change to another one and then totally start over again. So we try our best to help and provide the support in terms of different customization to ensure, okay, you use the dev kit, and when you want to move to production, I want to ensure like every step is smooth and you could have the essential support to do it. Then next step is like a support. Yeah, we have a support from either app or AI ecosystem partner to help you within the journey. So from previous slide, I think you must have a feeling like app, not just providing the hardware and hey, figure out the rest yourself. We have a developer board. Like first is starting from like a developer friendly board and with a strong and powerful software stack with an essential toolkit, all the stuff. Then you could use with a different AI module, for example, Halo, DBX, and etc. Then here you have the foundation and you want to, hey, I want to build my AI project. So for sure, I should have the vision. For this part, we also consider like we have a different partner in MIPI, GMSL, etc. So we want to provide like a more complete experience for you to develop your AI. So that's why we call it UP AI Dev Kit and ecosystem. So Up AI Dev Kit, I keep mentioning it. Here is a bit more detail, and later I will share like where you could find it. We provide dev kit from a range from entry, mid, and high end. From entry, it starts from 279 US dollars. Mid end is based on Upsquare Pro twin leg board, and starting from 469. The price will be different because for this series like mid-end, we have integrated with a different AI module. So depends on different AI module, you will have a different price, but the starting price is 469. And high-end is based on upstream Arrow Lake Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, and it's 899. For the AI kits I mentioned here, it's not only the board, it's the board with the software stack I mentioned, and also power supply, camera. We want to give you a kit that when you get it, okay, you don't need to, you can have a quick out-of-box experience to start everything and already start your AI development. Once you figure out like, also you will have the USB camera. And once you think, okay, I develop my basic application based on the USB camera, and I want to try MIPI or GMSL, we also have this expansion option available for our kits. So here is our AI ecosystem partner. So from left side, you see like we have a different AI accelerator partner, Hello, DeepX, etc. And we are continuously building new partner into our ecosystem. So from time to time, feel free to like follow our page, check out LinkedIn. We will update and provide new information regarding to AI accelerator. And right side is the camera vision part. Like I mentioned, MIPI, GMSL. We have like a full, from the top part, we have a full companies that we collaborated mainly to provide you like a MIPI or GMSL camera solution for project-based usage. But we also like trying to enable Raspberry Pi. This is like for some people who want to use okay, I use your kit and I want to build a like a quick POC, but I want to have a quick solution that I could find from website easily. Raspberry Pi is also a good option, and then we enable it for you. Then after your validation or proof of concept, you can move to other more industrial feature one that's also in our ecosystem. So I will pass the ball to Daniela, our software engineer manager, to explain more for the network optics solution we integrated. Thank you.
Thanks, Owen. And now I'm going to introduce the software toolkit that we have included in our AI dev kit. Network optics is a choice we made to pre-install a ready solution that helped to easily prototype and build your AI vision applications. The main components of network optics solution is that it's a cross-platform solution that enables multiple types of inference compute units from CPU, GPU, and NPU devices. It provides you a centralized management for the models and allows you to edit the AI pipeline. It also comes with comprehensive SDK, API, and monitoring for debugging your solutions. It's also very important to mention that network optics comes with a free developer license. So anyone who's starting to use our dev kit can use the solution completely free of charge for their development. Now, I wanted to show you how network optics can easily be used. And here we show you when you get our dev kit and you first boot the device, what you need to do in order to get started. First of all, you open the web browser, and once the web browser is open, you can easily jump into localhost and set up a new system. You give the name of the system of your choice, and once that's selected, you can simply select next, and the name of the system has been chosen. Here, you're going to assign a password for the administration console. And you're ready. Now you have the NX Meta up and running. You can log in. And in this web page, you can see here we already have the license assigned. If not, you can easily activate your free developer license from the same page. And from the general page, you can now connect to the cloud. And here, if you don't have it, you need to create an account with NX Developer Cloud. This allows you to download and to manage the models provided by Network Optics. We're providing, again, the password of our system to connect to the cloud. And here we go, we see we are connected to Meta NX VMS cloud solution. From now you have set up the server platform. We can now open the NX Meta client that allows you to manage the cameras and the AI applications. So we are going to log into the system with the password we chose earlier for the administration console. And here you see that where is the name of our platform. We are going to select server settings and auto detect built-in and USB cameras. We already connected the USB cameras, but you can connect at any point. Once enabled the option, you will see the camera there, and you can select the camera and camera settings. And then going to plugins, you see NX AI Manager. You can enable NX AI Manager, apply after selecting a primary camera for stream. You just need to wait a little bit because the system is going to detect the hardware and which compute units are available. You can then refresh the button on the top right. And here you see that you have a choice of using the CPU or OpenVINO. We select OpenVINO, so we will be able to use the iGPU of the platform, for example. The system will get all the necessary dependency, and once refreshed, you will see that all the compute and runtime libraries are being installed. So you can activate the device and you're ready to go because the system is set up. You can log in, of course, still from the cloud to the AI manager, and this will allow you to select the model of your choice that are available, in this case from NX Meta Cloud. And you can select also other option on how to use the model and how to configure the models that you will be using for your development. You have different options that you can select, and once done, you just close it. Once ready, what do we need to do now? We just can select the camera and start doing our demos. From the camera settings, again on the plugins, we can select the area where the camera will be able to detect objects, or anyway apply the inference for the AI application. The video will start streaming from the camera, and you can select the tags that you want that are available for the specific model selected. And simply clicking on the camera, we can activate the detection, and we can see it as selecting the option objects and pointing the camera at different objects. The system will start recording the stream and applying the tag to each object that has been detected. It's very simple. Demo is up and running, and from here you just can decide to apply any type of pipeline, export the data of the AI inference detection, and integrate with any other platform of your choice. In order for you to provide all the information and network optics as comprehensive documentation for the AI Manager plugin, also for the API and SDK of the complete NX Meta platform. And of course, there is additional NX Meta developer documentation. We pointed here all the links so you can easily find them. Other than network optics software solution, we also have available on our GitHub our App AI software toolkit. This is another option for you to use with our AI dev kit, and you can use this tool to perform AI benchmark across multiple compute units. You can use it to convert the models from one compute unit to another, so you can easily choose the models and convert the models for the hardware that you have and you can use for the AI inference. But also you have also in this case pre-installed the AI inference runtime library, so you don't have to take care of doing this manually and going through a complex and tedious setup process. Everything is there and ready for you to use. Of course, the App AI software toolkit is compatible with AppOrs and it's compatible with the accelerator that we include with our dev kit, like Hilo, Intel NPU, Intel GPU, or a dedicated GPU. Just to give you an overview of the App AI software toolkits, you can see here the hardware supported, the OS driver that are pre-installed, and of course the runtime, and the various other software components to enable the model converter and the runtime for the various compute units. And of course, on top of that, you have the benchmark tool that we provide to support the development and selection of the right models and the optimal compute unit for your AI inference application. You can find all the information on GitHub at our uh, GitHub page that is here provided in the link below.
Thanks for Daniel's introduction for the software components that we put into our dev kit. So this page is just to remind again that we have a dev kit that will help you for AI development. And now it's available for order on shop, and we already received the stock. So if you are interested, please place the order via our buy link. And here is also the QR code that you can scan to quickly go to the page and check what you need. Then expect to see you to be our like a partner or cooperation for AI development. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.